All right, folks, it's a hot, sunny New Orleans day, and we're looking at 1900 Peniston Street. It's got 2,750 square feet, offered at $874,000. It's a brand new construction with 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and I think it's just a very aesthetic home, and I wanted to show you just how pleasing on the eye this place is. So we'll just walk through. This is a bathroom here. I like the floors. We've got high ceilings throughout, 10 to 11 foot ceilings throughout the whole property. This is our great open room. So here you've got options for your dining. Your dining could be there, your dining could be there, or either could be your living room. You've got this beautiful kitchen. I mean, truly a chef's kitchen if there ever was one. Great backsplash, high-end appliances, massive pantry. This is good to have. I'll show you the backyard and our off-street parking. So we've got gated off-street parking. We've got these tall privacy fences all around the property. We were also selling the one next door at 1908 Peniston. It is now under contract. So this is the one that is still available. Here's this excellent porch space. Could just imagine sitting out there when it's not quite so hot. Let's go upstairs. I like these sconces as well, very stylish. And I think I did a video walkthrough of 1908 Peniston, so you'll all be able to see the one next door. Here is our grand master suite. And this is what I meant by it being so aesthetic. Just beautiful. Walk-in closet on either side. Massive soaking tub. And then we have our dual vanities like that on either side. And a great shower as well. So that's our master suite. Absolutely luxurious. It's awesome. This is my other favorite room in the house besides the master suite. Really cool. Almost like a little meditation room for you. Look at the size of that side yard too. This being a new construction, of course it comes with a 5-year new construction warranty. That means for 1 year, everything is covered bumper to bumper. 3 years will cover all your major systems, so your plumbing, electrical, etc., HVAC, of course. And 5 years for anything structural. So it's like buying a brand new car, you're all covered. And this is a master builder who did this, as you can see. We're in an excellent location, Uptown. Just half a block to Martin's Wine Cellar, if you know where that is. Close to St. Charles. Here's our laundry room. I really like this when they build it out into something more than just a little closet. Chris calls this the meditation balcony. Here's a little view of the neighborhood. So again, this is 1900 Peniston Street. A very satisfying house to walk through. Offered at $874,000. Brand new construction. $2,750 on the square footage. If you should have any questions or would like to schedule a tour of the property while it's still available, please reach out to Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004. This is Jacob, signing off.